Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks, 2 non-security and 3 different types of password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Next, let's select pin. Enter at least 4 numbers. Then let's select password, and now you have to add at least 4 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, let's go to fingerprint, add fingerprint and simply scan it on the power button. Tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap finish, and now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go back and select face unlock. Enroll face. Tap next, and now scan your face in this area. Now tap done, and now my face is scanned. I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.